Here's my little precious Piper. She's asleep on my lap again. Look how cute she is. Such a sweet baby. Yeah, she works so hard. She deserves to get a nice, comfy sleep. Yeah, it helps me too. Yes, it does. Because I get to feel a nice, warm, soft kitty on my lap. And it makes me feel relaxed too. It's funny, I just get this good feeling when she gets on my lap. And I love it sometimes. She'll stand up and stretch, and then turn around in a circle and lay back down in a different position. Yeah, right now she's really out. Look at that sweet baby. Yeah, that's my little lap cat. That's my precious Piper. Look at that. Oh, the little tail there right by her face. Yeah, she's all curled around. Yeah. Oh, I just love my baby. I just do. She's such a little sweet cake. She's such a little love bug. Just look at her relaxing there. Oh, I just love having this little girl. Yeah, she's my sweet baby.